I'm Saanvi Tayal, a high school student from Delhi, passionate about using AI to tackle social problems and automate repetitive tasks. I started my AI journey with AI student community and Intel AI readiness boot camps, from where I went on to work on several projects to help my society and presented them at prestigious events like Intel AI Global Impact Fest as India's country representative and at Niti Aayog. Well, do you know around 30% of the world's cultural heritage sites are at risk according to the Global Heritage Fund? This alarming statistic highlights the vulnerability of numerous historical and cultural landmarks around the globe. Preserving these endangered monuments is of utmost importance to ensure that future generations can continue to learn from and appreciate our collective history.
So I came up with an innovative approach to restore monuments digitally. Well, ArchiVision remarkably reconstruct and restore missing parts in the exact architectural style of the monument, which results in stunningly accurate 3D model of monument using nothing but single 2D image. And this can be a revolutionary, low-cost solution for preserving monuments digitally, serve as educational tool, promote cultural preservation, improve accessibility to historical sites, boost tourism, and contribute to technological advancements.
Well, here it is how it works.
User inputs an image and then Stable Diffusion API is used to reconstruct missing parts. But how do we ensure that reconstruction is faithful to monument's unique architectural style? OpenAI Clip analyzes the input image and then more details of style are extracted using web scraping or beautiful soup library. This library enables us to generate accurate and insightful prompts which is fed to the API. Highlighted text is the generated prompt, generated using web scraping and other techniques used to analyze the input image. This prompt can be edited by the user for better outputs, and finally the output is shown to the user. Further, for 3D model, it receives the completed 2D reconstructed monument image and
And using superpoint algorithm, it extracts features from all the images. And then similar extracted features are matched. And finally, 3D reconstruction is done using the extracted features, matched features, and pairs of images using PyCon library. These neural networks are accelerated using one dial tool in one API toolkit, and output is shown to the user. Okay. uh, Future scope. So I look forward to make interactive virtual reality experiences for the user where they can explore uh, mon- the historical places and train GANs which can imagine and reconstruct the broken monuments. Thank you.